They say legends are born in the shadows, where myth and reality blur. A car that promises unmatched handling, a vehicle so coveted that its allure is steeped in half-whispered stories, feats of impossibility, of fortunes, and even lives sacrificed in its pursuit. Tonight, we journey into the darkness behind Porsche's revered GT3 RS, a machine hailed as the peak of engineering. But is this story laced with truth, or is it all just an exquisitely crafted myth? Porsche isn't just a mark, it's a legacy shrouded in lore. Over the decades, whispers of their racing conquest and relentless innovation have given birth to legends. The GT3 RS, engineered with an obsessive focus on performance, it embodies the relentless pursuit of perfection. Born from a long line of motorsport triumphs and tempered by the uncompromising demands of the track, this car was designed not for the everyday road, but for the adrenaline-soaked moments where precision meets passion, and where every detail tells a story. But behind every legend lies a story, one that grows with every retelling. From hushed conversations in the paddocks to fervent discussions amongst enthusiasts. The myth of a car that defies limits has been meticulously crafted. Now we peel back the layers and ask, is the tale too good to be true? Or does the car truly live up to these narratives? Now, let's dive into the unmistakable facts. The heart of the GT3 RS lies in its engineering brilliance, set against a backdrop of sublime design. Under the sculpted hood rests a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six engine, primed to unleash just over 500 horsepower. It's a symphony of mechanics, precision-tuned to rev high and deliver performance that's as brutal as it is beautiful. Every element is designed to strip away luxury and focus on raw connection. The interior, sparse and driver-focused, reminds us that this machine exists solely to perform. After tracing the lineage of a legend and uncovering the intricate details of its engineering, we arrive at the ultimate question. Is the Porsche GT3 RS the embodiment of racing perfection? A masterpiece sculpted for pure track performance? Or has the relentless marketing and myth-making pushed this car to heights that reality struggles to meet? Consider the blend of raw power and precision engineering, alongside the tales that have grown in the telling. While some swear by its track day magic, others see it as a cult of hype, built on not an everyday driving experience, but on an ideal that's nearly untouchable for most. And that's exactly where you come in. The answer isn't absolute, and it's time for you, the audience, to weigh in. Is the legend justified, or has it been questionably overrated? Tonight we explored the myth and the machine. We heard the stories, saw the raw facts, and now the question remains, what do you believe? Does the Porsche GT3 RS stand as a beacon of unstoppable engineering, or is it an icon of overhyped legend? The decision is yours to make.